Fitbit is presenting a series of state-of-the-art bracelets for its Versa smartwatch. The bracelets, woven in the Penthouse 5 collection, which was made in association with the Council of Fashion Designers of America, combine traditional knitwear with a futuristic aesthetic in 3 original styles, according to the company. Each stitch style, whether striped, ribbed or metallic, is available in 2 colors for $39.95 each. The product is still a tinkle for an Apple Watch, mainly due to the rounded square shape and the reduced bevels, which are a long way from the design of Fitbit's first smartwatch, the iconic stern and angular. It seems that taking a page out of Apple's design book boosted Fitbit's smartwatch sales, while iconic sales stagnated. Versa's elegant display made it a success in the market, and the company celebrated 1 million units sold last June. Perhaps offering these new bracelets will give consumers a way to distinguish between the 2 brands.